Hello, assalamu alaikum all viewers and dear students. Thanks to all of you to comments me for the new MCQs. Today we are going to start MCQs on the topic of parabola. We have sketch draw. F is the fixed point, that is called focus, and P is PXY is any point, and directress line, that is AB, it is directress line x is equal to minus P, that is directress lines, and P is any points from this distance and P is the point lies between from the focus on this distance, and we draw the parabola from the vertex V1 to 0, which lies in the plane, that is called P is greater than 0 here, P is greater than 0, so that is called right side parabola because P is greater than 0 along x-axis. Here question number 1 MCQs according to this topic, the set of all points. The set of all points means here P is any point lies in the xy plane that are distance from a fixed point F. F means focus. The distance from P is and the distance from the fixed directrix line, and this from this point to this point. So what is the distance? It's called to that point is called what? The set of all the points from this points and the point lies to the directrix line. So that is called must be according to the eccentricity. We are finding eccentricity as equal to PF as equal to the distance between of this one and distance between PL. So must be equal. It is the ratio eccentricity, so the result will be both must be equal to 1 if they are distance or equals. If they are distance, P are multiplied to this one, so PL is equal to PF. So here the choice is correct answer is here. So this distance must be equals from there and there. So here P must be equal to equal. The line through the focus. The line through the focus. That is focus. Focus. The line which this line AB. From the focus perpendicular to the directress. This line is perpendicular to the directress. Directress line is AB. Perpendicular is called, that is called what? Principal. This line is perpendicular and perpendicular to this line is what is this? This is called principal axis. Principal axis. So that will be no vertex, but this line is called this line through the focus from this points, that is called principal axis, which is perpendicular to the directrix line. Directrix line is AB, so that point is LM. Consider x is equal to minus P is the point, so that point is called principal axis. MCQs. The parabola is symmetric about positive x-axis. FP is must be positive axis. Positive axis means on the parabola is making on this positive x-axis. So it must be greater than P must be greater. We already use here this condition. So the parabola making along x-axis. About symmetry along positive x-axis, so must be greater than P must be greater than 0. P must be greater than 0. This condition is satisfied. And here, if the parabola is symmetry about negative x-axis, so the case will be changed. So p not less than equal to 0 on this case. So question number 2, the principal axis. Principal axis mean here this x-axis and y-axis of the symmetry between a symmetry principal axis of this line. A symmetry is equal midpoint between the focus, that point focus, and directrix line. This line is directrix line. So that point focus and directrix line is called the principal midway between two. So here we get directrix. Question number 3, the endpoints of the parabola is called latus rectum. The endpoints of the parabola, this ends point of the which passes through this point on the focus. We give the name here PBA, for example, PA. So this line passes through the focus. This line passes through the focus perpendicular to the line segment PA. Line segment here, line segment PA, which is passes through focus, through fixed point focus, is called latus rectum. That is called latus rectum. Any line which passes through the focus perpendicular is called of the parabola is called latus rectum. Latus rectum is also called focal chord. It is also called focal chord. Another name we can say that focal chord, latus rectum. The end points. The end point is one is that point, and the topic is very interesting, and we are proceeding step by steps according to the diagram. Question number 4, the conic is parabola f. The conic is parabola f. Parabola f, what is the definition of the parabola? The distance between the 2 points and the distance from the fixed point and the directed line must be equals. It means its eccentricity, if they are equal, we can say that their eccentricity must be equal to 1. Must be equal to 1 because we have already defined the distance between 2 points is equal to the distance between the points and directrix line is called eccentricity. So that result both are equal. So this will be multiply. So both result will be equal to PF. So they are called equidistant. So their eccentricity must be equal to 1. So option C is here correct option if there is parabola. So y square 4px is the, it means that 4p is along x-axis. The parabola is along x-axis. Along axis or horizontal line, we can say that horizontal line. So the standard equation of this one be called parabola. That is called parabola. Not ellipse or hyperbola. So that will be the type of the standard equation of the parabola. And the question number 6, the directrix. Directrix means where the line making perpendicular of the parabola. So this is the parabola, and y square 4px, y 4px. So according to along axis horizontal parabola is making to the right side because p is always must be greater than 0. P is greater than 0. So that is the right side parabola. So directrix must be lies into the left side. So the directrix x is equal to minus p. Directrix we will here directrix always making of the opposite side of perpendicular of the y-axis. So here x is equal to minus b. You check option here. Option B is the correct options. B is the correct because here is the 2 points, and here making directrix line is that one, so that is lies in the negative sign, so x is equal to minus p. Actually subscribe my channel if you are the new, and share with your friend also. Thanks once again.